Like,
Hit her?
oh yeah. Dragon bottom.
We went down to 32. I can drag bottom. I'll get it if you want back up. Flip it, bring it down. Not a bad little fish. Open that mouth. God, hey, dude.
It's number 2. Not a monster, but we'll take it.
Fish in the boat. Fish on number 3 of the day. Second on camera. That might be a little better fish, huh?
I got some power head. Come on. Oh, okay. You good, dude? Oh. He's mean. 19.95. Not bad for a first little drift of the day.
There's Joe's second fish. Got him a nice little double.
Let him go and let him grow.
You want a picture?
Nah.
This one. Fish 5 for the day. Not real sure. Pretty good day so far. Did find today though. Number 6 for the day. Joe might have it. Well, he's tournament fishing. I bet we'd be calling right now. Let me know if you need me.
Tournament is a different story.
Right, right. Yeah, we'd be netting every freaking fish.
Oh, see, you come off right there. Quick release, guys, quick release. That's another solid 10, man.
Yeah. It's tournament fishing, that wouldn't happen. We'd have netted him.
Oh, that's a better one, Mike. That's a better fish. I'm gonna say anyway, it's just how they feel.
Wait for you to say that because looking at the rod bowl a little different this time.
Right, pull a little drag too. He's dodging out, folks.
Just got a little bite to him.
Yeah. He feels a little heavier, really. He ain't as big as I thought he was.
He just got
Felt
angry.
bigger than that.
He got anger issues.
Right. Yeah, he felt bigger than that. I'll tell you that. That still fits. It's automatic.
Number 7.
You can count the ones that move that go up the boat.
Yeah, that's right. 6.5.
Yeah, we'll call this 6.5 because the other one was a quick release. You wanted it too.
Yeah, he did. Joe was on fire today. What I'm talking about.
Not too bad. Another 10.
Yeah. So legit 7 fish in the boat then.
Yep. Number 7.
Another good looking fish. I don't think I need a net. Got into the top lip. Fish 8 for the day. Chain spots. Come down here. See what we can get into.